The advantages of converting your 401k into a Gold IRA with $300,000. As economic uncertainty rises, protecting retirement savings becomes crucial. One effective way to safeguard your nest egg is by converting a traditional 401k into a Gold IRA. With $300,000 in assets, this move offers key benefits, such as wealth preservation and inflation protection. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 advantages of converting your 401k into a Gold IRA. 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold retains its value over time, unlike fiat currencies, which lose purchasing power. A Gold IRA helps protect against inflation and maintains the value of your retirement funds. 2. Wealth preservation. Gold is a tangible asset with intrinsic value. It isn't impacted by market crashes or corporate failures, making it a reliable store of wealth for the long term. 3. Diversification. By adding gold to your portfolio, you reduce risk and improve financial stability. Diversification helps protect against downturns in the stock or bond markets. 4. Safe haven asset. During economic instability, gold acts as a safe haven asset, with prices often rising in times of recession or geopolitical tension. 5. Tax advantages. Like traditional IRAs, Gold IRAs offer tax-deferred growth. This allows your investments to grow without immediate tax liabilities, maximizing your retirement savings. 6. Protection from currency devaluation. Gold isn't affected by currency devaluation caused by excessive money printing, offering a hedge against the loss of value in fiat currencies. 7. High liquidity. Gold is universally recognized and easily tradable, ensuring you can access your funds when needed, no matter where you are. 8. Long-term growth potential. Over the long run, gold has shown consistent growth, providing capital appreciation as global demand continues to rise. 9. Elimination of counterparty risk. Gold doesn't rely on the performance of companies or governments. Unlike stocks and bonds, it's a self-contained asset that doesn't carry counterparty risk. 10. Estate planning benefits. Gold IRAs allow for smooth wealth transfer to heirs. It preserves value over time, ensuring your wealth is passed on without significant depreciation. Risks of not converting. Without a Gold IRA, you risk exposure to market volatility, inflation, currency crises, and geopolitical instability. Failing to diversify can jeopardize your financial security. Converting your 401k into a Gold IRA is a smart strategy for long-term retirement security. Gold offers protection, growth, and diversification, making it an essential part of a well-rounded portfolio. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.